Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a fingerprint on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to be able to use your finger for the fingerprint sensor, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to security and privacy. Over here, go to device unlock and then choose fingerprint. Now over here, if you didn't set up, you will need to use a screen lock first. So you will need to enable the screen lock, but if you do, you need to simply enter your PIN code, password, or draw the pattern. There we go. And now we need to press setup in the bottom right corner. Over here we need to press got it, and there we go. Now we have the fingerprint sensor located over here, so this is where we need to press. There we go. And now we have touch and lift, so we need to press and hold for like a short while and then lift the finger and then keep pressing from different angles. Try to use as much of your finger as possible. Try to scan it from any angle possible, from any side, so that you don't have any troubles unlocking your device in the future. Of course, there is also an option to add another fingerprint, so then you can scan the same finger and again, just to make sure that you can actually scan it correctly. And there we go. Once you are done, we have fingerprint added, and then we can press add another in order to add another fingerprint, or we can press done in the bottom left side. And there we go. Over here we have our fingerprint, and when we press this sensor over here, we will highlight the current finger that we have added, and you can simply go back, and that's all you need to do. There we go. Now let's press the power button to see the lock screen, and here we have the fingerprint sensor and we can unlock our device. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!